Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, we're going to take a look at some landing page builders for affiliate marketing. Now pay attention to that last term there, affiliate marketing, because it's important to understand if, when, and how the landing page builder that we're picking with these three options that I'm going to show you actually allow and let you do affiliate marketing inside of their system, which includes an autoresponder to do email. Because today we're looking at three landing page builders that also include email autoresponders. And we're going to take a look at those right now. As you can see on the screen, the first one we're going to look at is AWeber. The second one we're going to look at is ConvertKit. And the third one we're going to look at is Groov Funnels. Now these are all free. They all come with landing page builders. They also all come with email autoresponders. And that's why I'm showing you these three, because really these three, in my opinion, are the most powerful. And specifically when we're talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to get more into that and why you need to make sure that you understand why I keep talking about affiliate marketing and being able to do affiliate marketing with these landing page builders and these email autoresponders. So first things first, AWeber. Everyone knows, or most people know, that AWeber is an email autoresponder. And recently they came out with a free account, and it also includes a drag and drop email and landing page designer. So all you do is simply sign up for an account, put in your first name, last name, email address, and click sign up. You might have to go through a little verification here. Go ahead and verify. Check your email to get started. We just sent an email, and then you're going to be able to access your account. Sure enough, go to your email. Gary, your AWeber account is ready. Go ahead, click get started. Pop in your email, come up with a good strong password, click save password, and you're in. Now what they do here is they have a select a plan. You can go pro and you can upgrade your account automatically, or you can go free. Of course, if you go pro, you got to enter your credit card information. If you go free, you can go ahead and just click continue, get started for free. Look at the options down here for the plans. You can see the difference between the pro, which is unlimited, and the free, which is 500 subscribers on your list, 3,000 emails per month, and one list profile. And then you can see all the other options right here that you get when you go pro. We'll stick with the free for now and go ahead and get started. Then you'll have to walk through this account setup, add your company's name. If you don't have a company name, just use your name. And if you have a website, enter your website. If you don't have a website, you don't have a website. You will need a contact address so you're not in violation of the CAN-SPAM Act. So make sure that you fill out all this information and make sure that it is 100% accurate. Then once you've done all that, hit next. And then you set up a list right here. We'll go ahead and just leave that. And then you can set up your approved message right here. We'll go ahead and leave that as default and complete setup, so we can take a look inside at what we actually get. So now what you get here is you actually get to start adding subscribers, and they're going to ask you if you have a list, because you can actually import them. In this case, we're going to go ahead, no, I'm just getting started. Go ahead, I don't have a website, finish that out. And then you actually get into being able to use AWeber to build an email list. Of course, building a landing page for affiliate marketing, the entire reason for doing this is because it is the thing that you need to actually build an email list, to actually get leads on your list. So here is what you're interested in, landing pages. You simply come here and click on landing pages, and it's as simple as coming here and walking through this wizard to create a landing page. Of course, you can skip that and click this big green button that says create a landing page, and then you can see right here you can build from scratch, or you can actually use any of their templates that they offer. And if you were to build from scratch, you can go ahead and click choose. And then you'll see right here, you have an actual landing page builder, drag and drop with your different blocks. You could add text, you can add an image, and it goes on and on down through here. You can also add different rows and forms. Of course, your form here is going to be a form that's connected with your email autoresponder. We'll go ahead and go back to create and go ahead and just pick an actual template so you can see what this looks like with an actual template. Go ahead and click choose, and then you can see here that you actually have the ability to edit their template, which is going to be a lot easier when you get started because they've done all the heavy lifting and created what is considered a nice template for you. And then when you get ready to publish that, you publish it, or you can actually just preview it. They also have a mobile device preview here, so you can see what it's going to look like on mobile. So you can see it is a fully functional with quite a few options specifically for a free account integrated inside of AWeber to actually be able to build an email list. Come down here, click Save and Exit. And after you save and exit, you'll land here on landing pages, and you'll be able to see all the landing pages that you've created so far. And then when you want to publish them, you simply click Publish. And then when you want to share it, you have the URL right here, or you could share directly to Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. We'll go ahead and copy that URL. You can also see the URL right here, and you can simply click on that. And then that would load your landing page, and you can see exactly what people would see when they land on your landing page and when they go ahead and enter their name and their email. And of course, this will be directly connected with your free email autoresponder from AWeber as well. The next one we're going to look at is ConvertKit. Same thing here, sign up for free. If you scroll down here, you're going to see all the things that they can do. But the important thing that you want to understand right here is the 3-step process. And once you're ready to get started, you can see that they've said right here for you. The first step is to create a landing page to share your idea with your followers. Create an account on ConvertKit's free plan, and you can have that landing page up in just minutes. So again, ConvertKit, email autoresponder, or that's what most people think of it as, but they have told you right here the first step is to actually create a landing page, and you can actually do that for free right here by clicking Create a Free Account. Here you just answer some questions. No, I'm just starting with email. Do you have a website? No. Go ahead, enter your email, set a password, click Join, click Get Started, and it's just that simple. You're in. Create a landing page, share on social media, text or email 10 friends, add your first subscriber. So send a broadcast. They're walking you through step by step of exactly how to get started with a landing page here on ConvertKit. And up here at the top, you can see landing pages and forms, subscribers, broadcast products, everything you need right here inside of ConvertKit. Of course, landing page and forms, go ahead and click on that. Here you go, you come over to landing pages, go ahead and create a landing page. As you can see, this is very similar to what you saw inside of AWeber. They're all really kind of similar, and that's the issue with selecting and coming up with what is quote unquote the best. The best is going to be relative to what you need, your needs in your business. So it's just like going to buy a car. You actually need to get in the car, sit in the seat, start the engine, look at all the things that are going on, the radio, all the buttons, make sure they make sense, turn on the windshield wipers, can you find the headlights? All these things are going to take time, but until you actually do that and actually drive the car down the road, that's why they call it a test drive, you need to do that with these types of things. That's why I'm giving you these 3 options, because in my opinion, these 3 options are the best. Now, towards the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which one is the best, and you might be surprised about that. So let's go back here and look at these landing pages from ConvertKit. So again, you can see right here, you can scroll down through here and you can see the templates. And of course, the best thing to do is always just start with a template when you're first getting started. Keep it very simple. For example, you could choose this one right here. And once you've made the edits and you're happy with the edit and everything and the way it looks, for example, if you want to underline that word, just something very simple, change out these images, of course, make it specific to your offer, your specific affiliate offer. And of course, there's tons of videos, link in the description. You can check those out where I talk about how to find offers and how to customize offers and even the best way to get traffic. And at this point, you'll go ahead and you'll save and publish. Your landing page has been saved. It may take only a few minutes to see your changes live. And then you can click here, you can click share, and right here is your link. And you copy that link, you paste that link into your browser, and there is your landing page that you can now share and start collecting email leads to build that email list to get those links out to your affiliate offers to the people that are interested in your affiliate products. All right, number 3 on the list is Groov Funnels. Of course, go ahead to get started. You simply click Get Started, enter your information. Then once you finish entering your information, go ahead and click Get Free Access. That's going to log you right into your free Groov Funnels account. Of course, you have the upgrade option down here. You have all the quick links. And of course, what we're interested in here is the Manage Sites and Funnels. But of course, it also comes with an email marketing system called GrooveMail. Of course, you go over here and click on all the apps. You can see all the apps that they currently have. We're interested in what's called GroovePages to build our landing page. You can either click GroovePages or Manage Sites and Funnels. You can see in my account, I already have 3 sites. So 3 free sites is the maximum you can create. And if you want to create another one, you just simply go ahead and delete one of these. And then you can see I have the ability to create one more site for a total of 3 because I already have 2 right here. 3 sites, unlimited pages per site. Go ahead, click New Site. Here you can see the templates that they have. Of course, if you click on all the free templates, you can scroll down here. You can see all the free templates they have as well, just like in AWeber, just like in ConvertKit. And then you simply just click Select to start building your site. Give it a name, click Start Building. And you can see here, it's a drag and drop page builder. Of course, tons of videos here on the channel about GroovePages and how to use it. Check the links in the description for all those videos. And then when you get ready to publish, you simply come over here, host a site with GroovePages, give it a name. In this case, we'll call this Test Landing Page, and we'll go ahead and we'll publish it right here on groovepages.com. You can see here, site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer, just like the message you saw over at ConvertKit. So you can see all these really are the same as far as drag and drop. Super simple to create a template and publish it and then share it with the world. As you can see right here, this is going to be the page that you're going to share with your audience to generate those leads, to build your affiliate marketing email list, to email out those links to your affiliate marketing offers. Now, this is where it comes into the issue and the reason that I focus on that phrase, affiliate marketing, landing page builders for affiliate marketing, email autoresponders for affiliate marketing, because the issue is you have to understand the terms of service for each one of these landing page builders and autoresponders, as well as any other option out there that may be free that you may be considering. I'm going to use MailChimp as an example because MailChimp is very well known for not being affiliate marketing offer friendly, and you can simply go to their acceptable use policy and you can actually scroll down and look at prohibited content, and you will actually see that they list affiliate marketing blanket statement as in no affiliate marketing links allowed in your MailChimp offers. Now, I personally had a MailChimp account shut down because I had a blog and I was using MailChimp to actually collect leads for that blog before I became an affiliate marketer. And then when I used that email list to actually send out a link that contained an affiliate offer, they actually shut my account down. So make sure you understand the terms and conditions, acceptable use policies, and prohibited content. Of course, I'll show you inside a ConvertKit, and so you can understand the language here. Acceptable use policy, you can see here prohibited content. They actually list make money online or get rich quick schemes. But if you come down to other industries, you can actually see what they say about affiliate marketing. We do not restrict the use of affiliate links in emails as long as they are properly marked and used responsibly. However, we do not allow content that is 100% affiliate based, including selling other tools, software, business in a box, etc. So if you're going to get a ConvertKit account and you want to send out links to sell, say, ClickFunnels or any type of other business in a box type scenario or software as a service, then ConvertKit may not be the right option for you. Which leads me to my number one recommendation. And my number one recommendation is going to be AWeber for the email autoresponder and Groov Funnels and GroovePages for building your landing pages for affiliate marketing offers. And why do I actually recommend you combine these two is because AWeber is the best autoresponder for free, in my opinion, as far as its capabilities for the 500 contacts that you get and its ease of use, but its landing page builder is limited, where GroovePages is a fully functional landing page builder that you can completely build anything you need, totally custom design using GroovePages, but GrooveMail inside of GrooveFunnels isn't quite where it needs to be and does not compare with the functions that you get inside of AWeber. So I recommend as my number one option to combine AWeber and GroovePages, and that's how you can get started for free. Of course, when you get started for free, you are going to need traffic to your offers. So go ahead and watch this video right here on the screen that you see now for my number one recommended traffic source. Click on that video, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.